Alright guys, we're back here at the REIT Place Raceway, or otherwise known as my backyard, and we had some rigs on the bench over the weekend, and it's time to pick at least this one out, see how she does. We put in a super stock knockoff TAMIYA $12 special in this Piranha PxToys 9200, and we're running with an URGENEX 50C 2S lipo, and obviously our Dumbo. I'm probably gonna have to turn the gyro off. This is our speed run setup with the gyro and whatnot. Yeah, so hopefully everybody's having a good week and getting ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow is the 9th. There's going to be some beautiful constellations out tomorrow for those that pay attention to that kind of stuff. 4 horsemen and a few other interesting, Jupiter, Uranus, Uranus, whatever you want to call it. Anyways, so hopefully this thing runs pretty good. If it does, then we'll get it out for a speed run. We're not using these batteries for speed run. It's our track runner. And looks like it's backwards. But chickens are out. Gotta get that blower out. Ooh, it's got a little more pep than normal, I'll tell you that. Ho ho ho! Is the steering even working? Something's not right with the steering. I was just going straight. See, that's why you test run them. Piece of cake. So this rig I got for 50 bucks about a year or so ago. It's still running good. There was nothing wrong with the motor. It comes with a 550, but we're going to be entering this into the Bargain Bashers RC speed run, and I'm just gonna see how she handles, decide if this is the motor we're gonna go with. Oh, I have a feeling it is. What the heck? Should I have the steering backwards too? Looks like it's turned down. Sorry, minor adjustments. Oh, so cool. This thing is so fast. The steering on it stinks today for some reason. It's normally a little better than this. The steering is anyways. You see it's got some speed, and it is a basher. I've beaten the crap out of this guy. And the steering is just like not as... I'm not sure what's going on today. Oh, you know what? It might be the gyro. Turn the gyro down. Chickens are hooting. It's not that much throw. I'm used to having more. Huh. Interesting. Well, let's run it without the body just for a second. Oh, right over the top. So I'll slice this together into some kind of sort or something. But I'm telling you, for the price, these PxToys, a great platform. You can turn this into just about anything. I'm running different tires and that comes with it. They're smaller, but they're more for monster trucking. It actually controls a lot better at lower speeds. What's going on? It definitely got something going on with the steering. I wonder, see, now it's working again. I think it's just these cords are bouncing a little too much. Got to get my two-sided tape out. But like I was saying, this is a great rig. It's a great platform. It's what testing's all about, right? I mean, for 50 bucks, you can't even get a WLTOYS for that much. And it's a 110, 112, I don't know, depends on what you want to call it. It's not much different than your 903s or HBX in size. And these are URGENEX batteries. These are, if you're just running and you're not doing speed runs and especially bashing and whatnot, you really can't go wrong with them. They're, there goes the steering again. Yeah, I definitely got to take care of that. That's got to stop. That's got to stop. Anyway, you get the idea. That's what the test run's all about. And it is wet. We've been having rain non-stop the past couple days. But this thing jumps good. Now I did upgrade the shocks and just to some, these are actually from my EAT14. They're purple ones that come with the EAT14 from Eachine, which is a WLTOYS 1400 or 14010. And I did get an aftermarket Chinese metal servo that was doing me good, but I think a lot of it's just the, you know, I don't know if it's just, I don't know if it's the I just put the gyro on there. It definitely reacts a little different. You saw it do that wheelie. Anyways, just a little play around, test it out, see how it's going. Yeah, we'll get the WL144001 out next. Motor's pretty hot. I'm surprised about that. I don't know what that ticking is. It's almost like the rear is grabbing more than the front. You see that? That's what I mean, like kicking stopped, so whatever that was in the way. Let's turn that gyro back off. It's so weird. So it's something to do with this gyro. I turned the gyro back up all the way and I can steer again, so there's definitely some power drain or something on this this receiver. I haven't had any problems on the speed runs, but I just noticed it with this. So it works fine when I put the gyro on. But the chickens are watching. But it runs smooth. It's a little bouncy. Gonna have to stiffen up those shocks for the speed run. Get some bigger tires. Figure something out. I don't know. Just a quick rip, guys. Just playing around. Man, and when it kicks in, like, I'm really not touching that throttle, so I think this motor's gonna be playing fast enough for our brushed entry. So cool. Well, hopefully you guys dig. This thing's all over the place. Woo, my toes. Anyways, hopefully you guys like and subscribe and all that. Next time you see this, it'll be on the road, seeing what we can do for speed. And make sure you check out our sponsor, URGENEX. These I can't say enough. These are best car, or the best batteries for this style car. Any of the 114s, 116s, you can't go wrong. Whether it's a PxToys, whether it's an HBX, whether it's a WLTOYS, it don't matter. It's gonna, it'll do you right, you know. I mean, they're not really that great for TAMIYA. I mean, they'll push it, but the battery flops around a lot. These are just designed for those smaller. Anyways, like and subscribe, guys, and be safe tomorrow. I'll see you when I see you. Peace.